Right now, real people with real budgets are landing on your website, reading your pages, and leaving without a single trace. Traffic isn't free, whether it's through ads, SEO, or content. Every single visitor who leaves without dropping an email is wasted marketing spend. The problem isn't the traffic quality, the problem is the lack of an active system to start conversations, build trust, and capture intent before visitors bounce. Here is how to configure ChatFlow's lead capture system to turn anonymous traffic into qualified leads around the clock, automatically. Let's get into it. This is the ChatFlow Activity tab. Every conversation your agent handles shows up here, alongside the names and emails of verified leads. This is how a high-performing website operates. It doesn't just collect anonymous sessions, it identifies them into actionable prospects. Everything starts with one setting. Open the Active Agent dashboard. Head over to Configuration and locate the Collect Leads action. Toggle the Collect Leads feature on. The agent instantly shifts from a basic support assistant into a high-converting lead generation tool. The key to success is timing. Forcing a lead form on the very first message breaks trust. Correct trigger configuration makes all the difference. Inside the lead capture settings, specify the exact data required. Fields include name, email, and completely customizable inputs. For most workflows, a name and email are perfect. Avoid long forms. Keep the friction low to maximize opt-in rates. Next is the trigger delay. Set this to activate after value has been delivered, ensuring the user is fully engaged before asking for data. When a visitor gets an instant, accurate answer to their question, trust is built. That is the exact psychological moment to ask for their contact details. Finally, customize the success message. Replace cold system text with warm, human confirmation that sets clear expectations for your follow-up. High conversion rates rely on smooth conversation flows. Two specific features ensure users are glad to share their details. First, utilize suggested reply chips. These tap buttons guide visitors along high-intent paths instead of leaving them staring at an empty chat box. Each click triggers a pre-trained response from the knowledge base, keeping the interaction fast, fluid, and completely natural. Second, leverage the Calendly integration. Paste your booking link directly into settings to let users schedule meetings right inside the widget. The complete sequence is seamless: arrival, interactive chips, instant answers, timed lead capture, and immediate meeting booking, all without human intervention. Once the system goes live, the backend serves as a central hub for all automated sales activity. Every row displays critical metrics: timestamps, exact duration of the chat, and the verified lead data captured by the agent. Click any conversation row to review the full, unedited transcript. This data provides direct insights to optimize your marketing and knowledge base. To sync data with an external CRM or email marketing system, simply click Export to download a clean, formatted file instantly. In just 4 steps, your site gains an always-on assistant that greets traffic, guides intent, captures contact details, and books meetings. Turn your static website into an active pipeline builder that works while you are busy, offline, or completely off the clock. Go to chatflow.co, launch a free agent today, and convert anonymous traffic in a qualified pipeline. Subscribe for more step-by-step builds, and see you in the next one.